Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is June the 16th. So we are looking at the chart of the Dow future 60 minutes time frame as the chart of the day for today. So we can see right here that we are now looking for more upside extension. Okay, and we completed this correction, a very short one, this wave 2 here, and then already breaking to new high again, suggesting that the next leg up has already started again in the Dow, and now looking for pullback to find support against that low from earlier this month, the June low in 3711 for an upside extension. Okay, so again we are calling the more aggressive view in the direction of the trend, which is undeniably still bullish. Now everybody start calling the top, but they've been calling the top since forever, right? And it continues to go higher. Eventually they will be right, but in the meantime, you don't want. That's why you don't want to be picking the top, because most of the time it's just a wasted effort. Okay, so now looking for more upside above this June 11. Okay, and if I zoom out on the daily time frame, focusing on this 1 and 2 in the minor degree, here is the daily. So the 1 and 2 is here. Okay, so now we have extended higher again. So from March 30th, the correction is over in the wave 2 here. Now, everybody, okay, if you want to have an alternate, then you can call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ways up from here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonal. But again, I want to make sure that is not our primary view. Our primary view is not that way. I was just calling it complete from here with 1, and this with 2, and now extending higher again. So bullish, if that's the case, it's bullish against this low from earlier this month. Now in terms of upside extension possibility, right, you just simply measure the 1, 2 here, right? You simply measure the 1, 2. You have 100% target of 56,500. Now you have another high sequence from this April 2025. So from this low, if you do it that way, then this is another 1, 2 here, which is still a long way to go before reaching 100%, right? So this is your 1, 2 here, and then the 100% in that case is going to be 59,000, right? So this 1 to here, 59,000, this 1 to here, 56,500. So bullish and still a long way to go, and shorter cycle bullish against the low from June 11. Any pullback should find support in 3711, and we do like more upside. We don't like picking the top. Okay, so that's the update for today. As always, if you want to get more updates on the Dow or any other indices, stocks, ETF, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. You can use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.